Hello students, I am Revati. Welcome back to my channel. This video, assumed mean method for continuous data. Assumed mean method for continuous data. This method is continuous data only. First one, mean equal to x bar equal to small letter a plus summation I equal to 1 to n fi into di divided by summation or sigma I equal to 1 to n fi. You see, this division is this side only, half of the part only. So what is the formula? Mean equal to x bar equal to small letter a plus summation I equal to 1 to n fi into di divided by summation I equal to 1 to n fi, where xi is equal to class mark. You know class mark, but this is continuous data, so class mark equal to xi equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. This average only the class mark because this is continuous data. Next one, fi is equal to frequency. Next one, a small letter a equal to assumed mean. Randomly you can choose any class mark xi value. That is the assumed mean. Randomly you can choose any class mark xi value, that is the assumed mean, or center value you can choose. Next one, di equal to xi minus a. This di is equal to xi class mark minus assumed mean for all values. Next one, summation I equal to 1 to n fi equal to total number of frequencies. So this is the formula explanation. Next one, for example, table, class interval, number of students fi, class mark, di equal to xi minus a. Small letter a is assumed mean for all values. Next one, fi into di, etc. for all values. So total equal to, you add these values, so summation I equal to 1 to n fi you will get. Next you add these values, summation I equal to 1 to n fi into di is equal to some value you will get. So substitute these values in the formula, you will get the mean value x bar. So this is the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method only for continuous data. Here small letter a is the assumed mean. Okay. That's all this video. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. If you like this video, like and subscribe and click the bell button. Then only you will get my other videos. Thank you.